Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to take off the old registration numbers across there. Get rid of those. And let's see, we're going to get rid of right here where it says 6 months. Because again, I don't know what the heck that means. And we're going to get rid of right there where it says 6 months. So we're going to clean it all up, see what happens. I was thinking about it. I've got a heat gun, so try the heat gun and a plastic drywall scraper that I kind of took some sandpaper and sharpened it up a little bit to get up underneath these stickers. So we'll see how that works out. I think that'll work. Maybe once I get them off, I might have to go ahead and still get a sticker eraser wheel for my drill and get the rest of the residue off and clean it up a little more. But I don't know, maybe the heat gun will take it off. Depends how old these are and how hard they are to take off, but we'll see what happens. Alright, I might have to be real careful because I don't want to get the gel coat too hot and mess the gel coat up. So I might have to try to get it just hot enough for the sticker to peel. So I'm going to go slow over it. Might be a little slow getting started here. I'm going to turn the temperature down on my heat gun as well, just so I don't accidentally get it too hot. And see if this works out. Well, seems to be working out pretty good. But it is definitely leaving behind some residue. I don't know. Maybe we'll try some alcohol or something. I guess I do have the acetone. Let's try the acetone. Alright, I'm going to take this off. I still got to put mine on. That wasn't too bad. Now, for this thing, I've actually kind of been wanting to get this off of here since the day I bought the boat. Only because I think it's kind of odd. Probably not to the person that put it on there. The person that put it on there probably had a good reason for it. I'm sure. I mean, people don't just put stickers on boats unless they got a good reason, right? But it is odd for me. So let's get this off. Here we go. That's off. Kinda. It's still there. But let's go get the one on the back. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all. Feel good about that. I'm glad to have that off of there. Okay, there's one more thing. Okay, as I stated in the last video, this has to come off. I'm not a Vietnam veteran. I'm not going to keep that on there. Thought about keeping the POW MIA on there, just because my dad was in Vietnam. But nah, I think I'm gonna take it off. I think I'm just gonna take it all off. That way people don't ask questions or make assumptions. You know, it'd be wrong assumption. I mean, it'd be wrong, but at the same time, just not have that happen. So the first thing, let's get this one off. This is going to require some work. Not quitting. I'm not giving up on it. I may just turn out and buy that other window, but at least I gave it a shot. And if it's not there still, at least I got this off and keep working at it and see if I can't get something to work on this and come off. Alright, so plastic stickers like that don't come off very easy. This one probably won't be so bad. That was much easier. Alright, they're off. That sticker was already on there. I'm keeping it though. I like that one. Just like there's another sticker over here. I'm gonna keep that one as well. So one more thing that I kind of want to do. Okay. In the last video I mentioned taking this sticker off because that's where I'm gonna probably put the radio. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, it's off. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put the radio right here. Okay, last thing I need to do is we need to make this sucker legal. Has to be within 6 inches of the sticker here. I'm not gonna go that far away. I'm gonna probably go about 3 inches or so. So I go right here. Hey, that lady that took the lady at the tax collector office put this registration sticker on there, and I saw her put it on. I saw it crooked, and it's got air bubbles. The hairs on the back of my neck stood up when I saw that. But what can I do? It's already there. So, all right, she's legal. All right, so I thought of something kind of funny I wanted to mention in the video here real quick. My wife has a tendency to just kind of be funny and say, hey, you see everything I did? Look, I took these off. I did that. She just does it for the fun of it. She's not really trying to take credit. But the nice thing is for once, I actually have video evidence that I did it. So, yeah, she can't get me now. All right, so I thought I'd bring her out here and show her what all she did to the boat today. So, yeah. Those are off. I have to get a sticker eraser and try acetone. But if acetone doesn't work, I'm gonna get a sticker eraser. I'll get a sticker eraser anyway because I think that's gonna help a lot. Got all that off of there. Got the 6 months off because I know you don't know what it meant. Got the Vietnam veteran and the POW MIA off. The Vietnam veteran didn't come off very well. That plastic is kind of hard to take off of there. I'm gonna see if that window's still available on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, I'll probably just replace it.
Yeah, if it's still available, because it wasn't much. It was like $100 or something. So if I can replace it, I'll replace it. But of course, I'm keeping those stickers. That sticker and the one up there. I like that. Keeping got to keep my pirate sticker on there. And then over here I got the 6 months off of here because again, neither one of us know what the heck that meant. And I took that sticker off of there where I think I want to put the radio. So that's all off of there.
I think I did a great job.
You did a good job.
I did a good job. Worked really hard at that.
Yeah. Okay, so that was our video for today. Got the decals off. Got to get the acetone, see if that'll take that sticky stuff off. If not, I'm gonna get a sticker eraser, see if that'll come off. The Vietnam veteran on the Lexan there, it didn't come off very well, so I don't know. That might come off, but I'm gonna see if that window is still available on Facebook Marketplace. If it is, I'll buy that, and if not, then I'll see what I can do about getting that off. Our registration's legal. We're good to go. We're ready to take her out now. Well, legally, anyways. So I guess that's it for today's video. So
until our next adventure,
enjoy your day.